Hello everyone, this recipe is easy low-carb slow cooker creamy chicken marsala. You can serve it with pasta, rice, grilled vegetables, and all you need is 4 medium-sized chicken breasts, 8 ounces of button mushrooms sliced, 1 cup of dry marsala wine, salt and pepper to taste, and heavy whipping cream. Add oil to the slow cooker and spread around the base. Add chicken to the bottom, layer with mushrooms and seasonings on top, and pour the wine over the top of your mushrooms and your chicken. Cook on high for 3 to 4 hours. Remove the chicken and mushrooms from the crock pot and set aside. Stir in cream, whisk vigorously until thickened. Then add the chicken and mushrooms back to the crock pot and cook for an additional 20 to 30 minutes. Enjoy.